Learning is so simple when you learn in the right way and the right technique. So in this video we are talking about how Feynman learn and the Feynman technique of learning. Feynman is an author, graphic novel hero, intellectual philosopher, physicist and a non-ordinary genius, and considered to be one of the most important physicists of all time. And this technique is derived by Feynman when he studied at Princeton. At Princeton, Feynman started to record and connect things he did know with those he didn't. In the end, Feynman had a comprehensive notebook of all the subjects are translated and recorded, and they write at the simplest way that a child could understand. Then what is the Feynman technique of learning? This is the four-step process of learning by Feynman, and the first one is identify the subject. Write down everything you know about the topic. Each time you run into new source of information or a new source of formula or everything, add into the note and write down in such a way that a child could understand. The second one is teach it to a child. If you can teach a concept to a child, then you are going to teach everyone else in the world. Then start with a blank note and write down the subject you want to teach. Then below the topic, write down everything you know about it. But the trick is write it plainly and simply that a child can understand and what you are talking about. Write the difficult equation in the simplest way. Write the difficult formulas or difficult words in a simply way that a child could understand. Speaking in a plain term means a child can't understand or don't understand the dense vocabulary or science is a full concept terminology, which is Feynman's diagram because so valuable. His child illustrated things that other scientists delivered marathon lecture about it, and Feynman write the things in the simplest way that there is no dense vocabulary or complex terminology. Then third one is identify your knowledge gap. This is the point where the real learning happens. What are the missing and what don't you know? Highlighting knowledge gap will help you when you collect and organize your note into cohesive story that now you can call upon your source material, your notes and ideas when you run into question about how much you know about your topic. Then if you don't know something, hit the book and get back to the source material and compile information that will help you to fill the crack. Remove all those distractions while you are while you are learning, and make sure that the missing part is going to be clear in this step. And the fourth one is organize, simplify and tell a story. Starting to tell your story, piece together your notes, begins to spin a tale using concise explanation. Practicing reading your story aloud, pretend to tell a story to a classroom or students. That way you will hear where language stop being simple stumble could indicate incomplete thoughts. When something is breaking through, then you should remember all those like taking your source material and your book and filling the cracks in the simplest way. This is the four-step process of learning things in which way that a simple child could understand. This video is something that everyone should watch, because of that when you achieving something in your goal, you are going to learn lots of things. Then the learning part is going to be remembered that where you learning or what you learning is going to be remembered all way long, that you couldn't forget the concept of learning and the part you learn in the past. Thanks for listening and watching this video till the end, and like, share and subscribe to the video.